Hey, what's going on, guys? Grandkid here once again today, and this is just a quick update video about my computer. I am currently transferring all the files to my PC right now, and I'm going to be editing them probably all week. It's a lot of footage, about 5 hours of footage, so edit it, but we're going to get that build vlog video to you guys soon. If you guys are interested in seeing other games like Battlefield 4, CSGO, or League of Legends, let me know down in the comments down below, because I can record quick videos, post them just in the meantime until I get back and grind in Call of Duty. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this quick update. See you guys in the next one. Peace.